guys, welcome to another episode of Car Vibes. I'm your host Julie, and of course you know my co-host
Aren't you there with Perry?
Mandel. He's Mandel, and today's episode is please enlighten our guests.
Slangs, Jamaican slangs, terminologies.
Slangs that I cannot for the life of me get. And I really don't know why, because I think I catch on pretty easy, just like I can't catch on to slangs. Now, this video was brought on by Amanda's lovely friend that he was just there speaking in all kind of manners of evil, and this is me.
Father, put it up, big up yourself, you know yourself.
What did he say? He was there. Father this, father that, put it up. Like, what is going on? I just couldn't understand the language. Like, I was like going on like, it's weird. Like the whole time he's saying one voice note. He didn't even take a break. He was just straight on lingo going on there. He was just
Father, put it up.
one bag of something going on in the chance. No, all kind of something going.
But I say my portal the streets.
I don't know what that means. Right?
Man, in the streets.
It took me a while to get normal a lie. And up to this point, I still don't even understand why they say a lie. Why? What normal? What a lie? I just call it a loss. I just will never get in the streets a lingo whatsoever. I don't know what say you with understanding languages, but I can't get it for the life of me. Probably.
I just think, alright, you see, in a Jamaica now, you see, we have a culture of inventing, you know, call it, languages. You see, and we have a history of inventing just like a saying, catchphrases. You know, Popcorn, him come out with the most catchphrases you can think of. Number one, killy, them crease, you know.
Yeah.
You get me? I say,
why? And what's that?
No, depend that.
Yeah, that. Yeah.
You get me? So,
those are understandable catchphrases or phrases or Jamaican slang.
People
totally get those.
Write down in the comments weirdest catchphrase or, you know.
Jamaica has so many weird catchphrase. Right.
Yeah. Making Perry feel tripping right now. Perry, I look Perry.
Yeah, Perry. Say hi, Perry. But to be very. So put fun and joke aside.
Boot it up. Father, boot it up. I see after I just start calling. Now I say his name.
I can't get caught how many. I mean, I understand why tourist people in common can't understand what we're saying.
But the better clear.
Clear what? Alright. Probably because I was raised in another world and coming to this world and I realized that there's a totally different lingo going on. I was definitely transported to this section because I don't understand. A lot of times, as a matter of fact, people, Mandel is guilty of this. Always I chat some form of language I don't understand. This is me. You speak English? Are you speaking English? I don't get it. Especially when he's around his friends. God. They must speak some
English
back-to-back lingo.
Get distinction in a community.
Guys, back-to-back lingo. This man.
Yeah, man.
He want to friend them. And this is me.
She come from America.
What's going on here? Yeah. And then you will have one or two person like, Julia, alright. I say, yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on here. And everybody will laugh at my expense. However, right?
She not come from Jamaica.
I am trying my best. To be very honest with you, I never used to speak patois at all. It's Mandel break me out. So my parents can tell you this for a fact, especially my aunt that I used to grow with. She can tell you is Mandel for sure broke me out because
that's a lie.
That's not a lie. That's true. It's the truth, right? My father used to go so with him two on them when he didn't speak proper English. What on your mouth? And him film on them kind of heavy, right? Them one of them two finger here for me, I want a finger them. Imagine that. So me and my brother used to afraid of them something that when I used to deal with local, you know, beating situation. So we used to keep our mouth shut if we don't know the correct phrase. You get me?
I mean, you see, as a Jamaican, you have to know when in Father Bududup terms, know when for portal in different scenarios. You get me? You have to know when for Bududup, you have to know when for Budu Bang Bang. If you get to me, I try to say people.
Budu Bang Bang.
You have to know when for switch it up.
Where do people come up with these things?
Well, if me if going on one interview right now, right? You know, me have to be formal, all these lovely things. I have to speak quote unquote proper English and all these lovely things.
I actually applaud Jamaicans for this because where I work, the amount of potter when me here, make sure that never going to no interview with them the country slang there. And I don't mean it in a bad way, it's just that where I live, especially where I work, especially my department, there are people from St. Anne, from Clarendon, from Portland, from
St. Elizabeth.
From
Me bend go where they bend go.
I don't know anybody from St. Elizabeth, I think.
Yeah,
but we have persons from that section coming into one area, and bear in mind people they're actually leaving their houses from that category, may pen and thing and come and work in a Kingston. So the language that I'm hearing some all kind of something go on, this is me. What's going on? What's going on here? Like sometimes I just can't get them. I can't understand at all. And I mean a couple of them actually write patois really well. So I'm like,
right, patois, I can never do that.
They write it like to show you how them intelligence level up. Them can switch from them chopper voice, as Jamaicans would call it, them chopper man voice, straight down to the Jamaican patois voice, and then they can write it.
Except you, everybody can do it.
And they can write it, alright? Guys, I'm not going to answer Mandela right now.
Except everybody can do it, except you.
As I was saying, right?
Again, Maria's, an environment where I have to basically switch it up all the while. I have the thugs them when I always used to the on the corner with. That was back then, and yeah, I'm not gonna sit down there and speak with them and then, hey guys, you know that, no. We are talking, I say, yeah, my father, up top my general, and that's a party, up top, chop a line. Yeah, you get me, I say, I don't know what the things said, people, right? Then now, when I come at work now, I may talk to like managers them, or may I talk to the persons them who work with me, apart from, other people. Me say, hey guys, afternoon, what's up? Is everything okay? I mean, like use what's up in English, I don't know why. But the point is, you have to know if you pivot more while. You get me? I try to say, let's say Julie now. Julie come from space. So, in terms of pivoting, it's kind of hard to do. Yeah, it's very, very difficult. You can't blame her for this, It's just part of her makeup. You get what I'm trying to say? And I didn't break her out in the patois. You get me? Watch your bees.
Is he inside? Oh, no.
Where are they if him inside?
Start pull out seatbelt, start going through the door. What you mean? Me and Bees not friends. Anything that crawls, anything that flies, anything that says.
But I just take him up and just put him back.
I know. You have tried numerous times, and what happened?
They run up and down.
Anyway.
Don't do that, bro.
Guys, can you believe so after we here enjoying ourselves, one man come out of nowhere swinging fans away?
The regular on the road.
Yeah, you know what? We're gonna have an episode about this. Bad driving. You gotta be watching out for these crazy maniacs at this point. Especially the truck drivers. They're especially the weakest thing. The worst sets for me because out of nowhere, here you are, enjoying yourself. Interesting.
Wrong side.
I read him that part. So me talk about definitely gonna have an episode about that. But back to the lingo thing. Can I understand them? Not at all. In their comments, please just let me know what is the silliest, the most weirdest, the most commonly used the most commonly used slang that you yourself have used.
Father gun, that's a 40.
Manda's one is not so 40. To be very truthful with you.
But that's one common one.
That's his common one. That's his common one. He's always saying
up top the general.
Or that He's always saying that as well.
Nothing wrong with that. You know, up top, me generally.
Or my G.
Yeah, my G. Yeah, that's
Him always has said that too.
So, nothing wrong with that.
I never said anything. I mean, I
what
can't
understand. What mean?
Okay.
Alright. Well, up top, me generally mean.
Okay.
Okay. No say 40 mean.
Okay.
Okay. All of them literally mean the same thing. But
actually, I don't know. I'm not saying because...
actually, in essence, that's what all of them mean.
Okay.
No say 40 me G. That means say, no say a word. Well, no say a word and no say 40. Still means...
I still don't get it though. You just say no say a word.
And it can be
instead of saying no say 40. What 40 means?
Alright. It can be substituted for like all is well, all is good. Like say you're somebody kinda say for instance somebody bad drive me and then
what just
happened. And then no me and him a chat and me say no say 40 me G go on through no say a word. All of that means say all is good. You can move on. You know just all of that same.
Guys, that's what I'm saying. I still don't get the lingo.
I'm
still working on how to get the lingo across from this end to this end. But it's a work in progress, to be very honest with you.
The first one, we catch her off guard. You can't bring some guy see shit. No, that is not even a Jamaican saying. I'm not even sure if it's a Jamaican saying. But
that one actually caught me off guard.
I don't know how that gets somebody off guard.
Let me tell you the story, people. He and his friends decided to go to a party, a soca party, and I love soca. Nobody never invite me or nothing. Right?
So always say she's not gonna party.
True, I'm not a party person. I hate the crowd. I hate people rubbing up against me, them sweaty bodies and all that thing.
You could have never tell when she did it.
There's nobody beside me except you and your friends. I was surrounded. By the way, as I was saying, so I wasn't really all that interested, but it was nice to ask. He has been saying from the moment he was invited to go, not bring son, go as seashore, right? That's what you see, because I'm not used to these things. I'm not sure what he was really saying. I was just thinking. I said, oh, okay, whatever that is.
Jamaica.
I was like, oh, okay, whatever that is. I don't get it. I just don't understand. But you know, you don't want to. Back then, I never used to ask what slang to me. I just used to say, okay, because I just didn't want people to know I didn't know. But you see, after the incident, everything that he says that I don't get, what that mean? What are you saying? I need to know. I did not know it's his friend. His friend had to tell me what he meant. I was like, oh, that's what you mean? Okay, alright. Thanks for the whole night. Because I didn't know. I was just listening to him saying that over and over and over. And I'm like, what the hell is he trying to say? I didn't get it.
For my thugs out there, if you're going to a party, right? More often than not, we all know this. You're not going to bring your woman there sometimes. Sometimes you will. You know, you just go there and enjoy yourself with, you know, whatever you find.
Excuse me?
You get me, sir? I mean, dancing wise.
Excuse me?
You're not doing no more.
Got your bed.
But to be fair, I will admit this. The whole of me get, you know, I really don't really like parties either, so. But the saying still goes, you know, from my school days. When I bring some guys, see, sure.
People.
You know what I say?
You see?
We're going to buy ourselves and then we take up all this. We take up all the sand. Well, we take up all the sand where we walk when time we reach. So that's my woman name that's what we are talking about.
This woman, not this woman.
Yeah, that's what you remember saying in Jamaica.
That's why you must be like me.
Why must we be like it? No.
Anyways, guys, that sums up all what we wanted to say for today, you know.
Yeah, bring some guys, sure.
That's saying though, it brings up memories, right? Felt like
good times.
Felt like it has been like
good times.
A good while. It's been a good while, actually. But guys, that's it for our episode of Car Vibes, and we'll see you on our night. Hopefully we'll have our pet cats with us because
oh yeah, I just thought about
because Perry's not able to wave back, but our cute kitty will.
Guys, I'm buying 2 cats. either can we by this weekend? Think so?
Probably.
Bye it okay. So for parents, cat lovers.
Yeah, Manda is not a fan of dog. Well, he doesn't mind the chihuahuas.
The fluffy something of them. Yeah.
However,
I like them big dogs.
He's not a fan of the pit bull, the Rottweiler, the
For
German
the what?
Shepherd. I'm telling him it's important to have a guard dog. As soon as a criminal comes in, they're gonna be roar, roar.
Shoot them.
Whatever it is that dogs do, they bark. You get what I'm saying? Well, he's gonna have a dog like this. Criminals come into the house and see this, them gone with this and everything in the house.
No, not change my mind.
Well, we're getting cats because cats are cute, one, and we like cats. And I think they're honestly funny.
Yeah.
Funny. He likes to see them fly. So all the animal lovers that are actually seeing this video and you say it's animal cruelty, don't worry yourself. Your superhero, Catwoman Julie, is here for the rescue.
It's not
animal cruelty. He flings them and watch them fly. Whee! That's him.
What them love
That's
it.
him.
Them love it.
They don't.
That teach them to jump from higher grounds. You get what I'm trying to say?
He calls it cat training. I call it abuse. You get what I'm trying to say?
Fall and Luna.
So he had two previous cats before, so that's why he's saying that this cat training. It's not cat training. But guys, we shall see. Don't worry.
Those cats are agile.
Don't worry, guys. I'll be saving those kitties. They ain't gonna be going no flying from here to there. They'll be fine. Because I'll be ensuring, man, they'll be on the punishment if he does, right?
Here's the thing, though. You work from office. Me work at home.
Don't worry, the cats will tell me. The cats' tails. Their tails. But guys, see you in another episode.